Hello, hi, welcome to today's video. Today we'll talk about a very interesting topic that I think kind of summarizes the entire concept of how to write. We will be talking about the 7 levels of resolution. I picked up this idea from Jordan Peterson's writing guide. I think both the book and this particular concept is very effective. So if you want to read the book, I will share the link at the bottom and you can check it out later when you feel like it. So let's deep dive, let's explore. One, the very first level is about words. Now, it's extremely important if you want to become a good, effective writer that you are aware of the power of words. There's a wide range of vocabulary that you need to have in your arsenal to be able to express yourself really well. This is level number one. Level number two is about sentences. A decent and good grasp of grammar is what really plays the role here. How do you bring all these words together to create a sentence that makes good, clear, compelling sense? Level number three is about paragraphs. Now, Peterson has a good idea about how to write paragraphs. He says any paragraph should not exceed more than 100 words or 10 sentences. And at the same time, each and every paragraph is supposed to be dedicated to one single idea. Level number four, the interaction between paragraphs. Now, each and every paragraph is about one idea. The question is, how well do you connect these ideas together so that it kind of leads the reader to the final climax? That's extremely important. So, this is all about logical progression. Level number five is the overall essay. At this point, you take a step back. You have your paragraphs ready, have your ideas ready. Now, you need to add a little bit of personality. But everything will be like terrible. You have written everything well, but it is not intriguing or compelling. For that, you bring in personality, you bring in style, you bring in wit, humor. You name those things, and you can go and try them. Level number six. Here, I find it to be very interesting. Of course, it's a bit of marketing, but I think marketing is in a way essential to communication. Can't really do without it. He says, Jordan Peterson says that here at this part, you really start thinking about your audience. If you're writing something and you do not know who your audience is or how do they look like or what are their pain points and what are their needs, we'll be writing for absolutely no one. Be it a single person that you have in mind or a group of people, it's important that you know who your audiences are. Level number seven, take a step back and look at the overall cultural context. It's important to know what are the values and the motivations of your audience, of your target audience, of the people you're writing for. These 7 steps of resolution, they come together to help you craft great and compelling work of writing. There you go, 7 steps of resolution. I hope this will really help you kind of improve the way you write. Till I see you next time, signing off, this is Lane Samuel from Nuance Institute. Do subscribe, do share, and do drop in comments and let us know if you think this was useful or if you have any other ideas. Thank you so much. Take care. Bye bye.